Hey there, welcome to my channel. So some of you folks out there know that I've recently have been working on installing my own floating floor, and after some research I went with this product. It is called Raintree. Raintree claims that they are beautiful waterproof floors, beautiful waterproof wood. I wasn't a huge fan of the vinyl plank flooring trend that was out there, and after some research I decided that I still wanted to have that real wood look. However, I wanted to keep it lower maintenance and something that would still be easy to install by a do-it-yourselfer. And so this is the product here. It's called Painter's Alley. Raintree has a line of products from, I guess they call it their Nashville inspired stuff. Oops, camera's getting out of focus. But yeah, so here it is. This is the Painter's Alley. The wood is hickory. Overall thickness is 7.2 millimeters. The actual wood layer itself is more like a millimeter actually. It's not too much of a wear layer, but it is, the finish they claim is pretty durable, scratch resistant. Still, I don't want to take advantage of that claim, and I just installed this floor, so I'm just going to still treat it as well as one can for wood flooring, because that's the drawback sometimes with wood flooring, is that you have the potential of getting too many scratches and from pets and kids and so forth, and from moving furniture around. Everyday life, right? So we'll see how it holds up. But the product so far, yeah, it claims to be waterproof, and I just mopped this floor earlier with just a damp mop. I didn't want to go the route of wet mopping, but the product does claim to be wet moppable, and there you go. So it was easy to install, but if you're not much of a do-it-yourselfer, you can always have the pros do it. They can knock it out faster too. It took me a while to lay it down, and I took the time to buy extra equipment. I bought myself a miter saw and a table saw to do this, and just did the main room there, the living room. This is considered the dining room, and then I have just the hallway. I'm not a big fan of carpeting, and I hate traffic wear patterns, and so that's why I wanted to go with something that was durable, yet at the same time not something that's too fake like with the vinyl products out there. This is actual natural wood. There's no pattern repeat, which is a big issue with vinyl flooring. And from what I understand too, the warmth and value of real wood far exceeds even the laminate products that are out there. The problem with laminate products too is that a lot of their cores tend to have an issue still with absorbing water, and the core in this is waterproof. So what happens with some of the other products out there, you have to be, when you do your research, is that you'll see that if it absorbs water along the edges, you're going to get that bubbling effect. So, but still wanted to make a quick video on this to knock out the questions for those that wanted to see the finished product. And I guess if you do have any questions, feel free to follow up and ask me. I guess I'll try to answer them. All right, thanks for watching.